Welcome back. So I'm going to start with the intro. I'm tuned to D. First string on the guitar is on D. All right, so it's... All right, so the two first ones are with the silence in between. And the last two are with no silence at all. So then I added the scale that it's as follow. So that's with an open E first. All right? So it's... So we have the intro then. Twice. And the last one. That will be 4 times, and then the last one you do the scale. So this song is very good to practice your alternate picking. You're doing a lot of the whole time. So then we come to the second part of the intro that is very long. And then after that, you do it a couple times, and then you do B. Then you do a chromatic thing here. And you chromatic again, up. Is B, A sharp, A. G sharp, A. Then open E. Here's when it gets kind of interesting. Is all right? You have to repeat that G chromatic thing all the way up. G, G sharp, and A. So it's... And then we start with the verse of the song. And it's as follows. It starts with an open E. So you will see the tab here down below. So it's... You have that scale there? And then the marathonic alternate picking. The pre-chorus. And then we go into the chorus. we start all over again with the verse. Of course, in the demo that I just did, I just played the intro, verse, chorus, and then I went directly through the pre-solo part when we break down the song and we prepare for the solo. And it's after the second chorus when we do. And then we do that scale. It will be here. And then we go through a solo. Leave your comments down below if you want me to teach you the parts of the solo. All right? So that's the song. I was a little bit to explain how I write songs. Basically, that one, the process was the drum part, with the intro, you know, like with the. What I had first was just the rhythm part, so snare and the kicks. That's what I had. So then I translated that into guitar. And then I added the scale. Emotion. I want to add some emotion to break that. You see, something like you break it and then you go to the other. You're building it up. So they want to go to the other part of it. That was that. So the song, it's on E minor, but then I did to break it down again. And that's the verse. So if you want to practice alternate picking, check our song on your favorite platform and leave your comments down below. If you want to see more about this song, you want to learn the licks on this solo, just leave your comments down below. See you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. Show real.